So I'll be showing you how to pair your Roku TV remote with your Roku TV. Now I'm currently in the process of setting up my Roku TV for the first time, and the first thing you have to do is pair your Roku TV remote to the Roku TV. So like it says here, since I'm using the Roku Express 4K Plus, the pairing button is inside. Okay, so what you need to do is take off the back cover. Just put some pressure on these three lines here and push down like that, and then take off the back cover where the batteries are, and here you should see the pairing button. So long press this button for about 5 seconds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you should see that light blinking. And when it starts blinking, your Roku will detect it and it's gonna pair with the remote. There you go, simple as that. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.